If your humidifier will not operate, these are the steps that you must try. There are two more popular styles of humidifiers. One is a free-flowing model where water flows continually through the humidifier, with the second a drum style where a drum dips into a pan of water while turning. Both humidifiers use air from the furnace blower motor to put moisture into the air. A third, though not as popular style, is an atomizing humidifier. This humidifier will take water, turn the water into a fine mist, then force the water through these hoses and spray the mist into the system. Corrosion from a lack of maintenance is the main reason a humidifier fails. The corrosion will cause the water supply line to the system to be blocked, or the water that would drain from the system to leak either inside or outside the furnace. Please note that any internal leakage will cause damage to the furnace and the adjacent components. Routine maintenance will eliminate 3/4 of the problems that a humidifier will have. Locate the humidistat, which is normally located close to the thermostat or close to the humidifier itself. The atomizing humidifier has an on-off switch plus a setting for more or less humidity. At times, these are tricky to find. If not close to the thermostat, locate the wire attached to the humidifier and follow it. It should lead you to the humidistat. Rotate the control knob back and forth. If the indoor humidity is below 45%, you should hear a clicking sound at some point. If the indoor humidity is above this clicking sound, the humidifier should engage. If the indoor humidity is below this clicking sound, this turns the humidifier off. In the winter, it would be odd not to hear this clicking sound, as the furnace during normal use will burn off the moisture in the air that a humidifier will replenish. If the humidistat does not click,
you will have to call a contractor for the necessary repairs.
If the humidistat does click, you will have to verify the humidistat is engaging the humidifier. If the humidistat is next to the thermostat, you will need a helper. If the humidistat is close to the humidifier, you can perform this test yourself. The humidistat must be rotated, making that same clicking sound. When the humidistat clicks, the solenoid on the free-flowing system should engage and you will hear a loud clicking sound. On the drum style, the drum should start turning. On the atomizing humidifier, turning the switch to the on position should engage the indicator light. If the solenoid does not engage on the free-flowing model,
you will have to call a contractor for the necessary repairs.
The atomizing humidifier, the drum-style humidifier, and some free-flowing models are plugged into an electric outlet that is close to the furnace. If the atomizing humidifier indicator light does not turn on, or if the free-flowing solenoid does not engage, or if the drum will not turn, verify the power cord is plugged securely into the outlet. The power cord should have power if the furnace is operating, as they are traditionally on the same circuit. In the event the outlet does not operate, you will have to go to the electric panel and look for a tripped circuit breaker. It will be in a 1/2 on and 1/2 off position. A humidifier will not have its own designated circuit breaker. To reset a tripped circuit breaker, flip the breaker all the way to the off position, then to the on position. This should reset the breaker. If the solenoid does not engage or the drum does turn and there is no water flowing to the tray, you will have to verify the water to the humidifier is turned on. If the water is turned on, corrosion could be blocking the line and it will have to be cleaned. You will also need to perform the routine humidifier maintenance. If you are unable to make the humidifier operate after trying all of these procedures,
you will have to call a contractor for the necessary repairs. It is possible that a handyman can make this repair. If you have no contractor, your real estate agent can be an excellent resource for a local contractor. Home-411 also provides a link at the lower left corner of this website to access contractors that can make repairs. We provide this link as a service for our members, as contractors can be very difficult to find. Due diligence should always be used when hiring anyone to come into your home to make any repairs. Please read the Home-411 Limitations of Liability.